Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss human beings and the environment. Chapter 11. Human beings and the environment. The two main most harmful activities which are destroy our environment and sources are, one is the deforestation, or second is pollution. Deforestation, it means cutting down of the trees on a large scale is called the deforestation. And pollution, many harmful substances mixed with pure substance that make them pollute is known as the pollution. Yeah, in other words, you can say that many harmful substances known as the pollutants. Pollutants, what do you mean the pollutants? The substance which pollute the things, they are known as the pollutants. Get mixed into the water, air and land and cause the air, water and land pollution. So these two things are harmful activities of the human beings. These are that destroy our environment and sources. Number one, deforestation. Second is pollution. Deforestation, you understand? Cutting down of the trees on a large scale is called the deforestation. And pollution, when unwanted things mix with pure things that make them pollute, this is known as the pollution. Now, impact of the deforestation on the earth. If we cut the trees, what is the impact? What is the result? What is the consequence? क्या परिणाम होंगे? Number one, soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? The removal of the topsoil by the wind and air is called soil erosion. Now you know very well, roots of the plants hold the soil in their roots plants' roots hold the soil to the ground. By cutting plants, if we cut the plants, what will happen? Soil is directly exposed to the wind and rain, which removes the topmost fertile soil by the wind and rains is called the soil erosion. In simple words, you can say the removal of fertile topsoil from one place to another with the help of rain and water is called the soil erosion. If the uppermost layer of soil is washed away, plants will not grow. You know very well, plants grow in the top layer. If it is washed and there is the 1 feet top layer, if it is washed, plants does not grow in that soil. And animals would die and the land will become barren. यानी बिल्कुल कोई भी vegetation नहीं होगी if plants is not there. Second impact of this global warming. Global warming. The rise in the temperature on the earth result in the global warming. Earth temperature is rising. That it is the result of the global warming. The release of carbon dioxide. And what is the responsible for the global warming? Some gases like the carbon dioxide, they are responsible for the global warming. What they do on our earth, because they are the dense gas, they come near the earth's surface. When the sunlight is coming, they enter the earth's surface, they do not go back into the atmosphere. So in this way, the temperature of earth is increasing. This phenomena is known as the global warming. Next is loss of the living things. Third one is loss of living things. Loss of living things. Deforestation has caused the many living things like birds to lose their shelter. If there is no plants, there is the bird live. And there is birds and some other animals, they live on the trees. And food sources, they take their food from the plants. Without food and shelter, plants and animals will die. As a result, they will become extinct. यानी वो विलुप्त हो जाएंगे. Next is greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is gas which help to retain heat around the earth. I am saying here carbon dioxide is the dense gas that helps to retain the heat around the earth. वो heat को बाहर नहीं जाने देती, so that the earth does not become cold. ठंडी नहीं हो पाती. तो if the amount of the carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere, also known as the greenhouse gases. So these carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere, the temperature of earth would also increase, resulting in global warming. Carbon dioxide is also known as the greenhouse gas. And for some example of the greenhouse gases, methane, water vapors, carbon dioxide, these are the example of the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases retain the heat around us. This is referred to as the greenhouse effect.